The question goes like this.
This is your question. Given the importance of the OFW remittances to our economy, how can the Philippines work toward creating more stable employment opportunities locally, reducing the need for Filipinos to do abroad? Okay, once again. Given the importance of the OFW remittances to our economy, how can the Philippines work toward creating more stable employment opportunities locally, reducing the need for Filipinos to work abroad?
As someone who grew up without a parent because my mom is an OFW, yes indeed, it helps our economy to rise because they are paying the taxes and also the remittances, it can help our economy. But then again, kada isang magulang o isang miyembro ng pamilya ang pumupunta at nagtatrabaho abroad, may isang bata ang nangungulila sa kanilang pamilya. Kaya naman, my only solution with this, and I hope if there's any government official who is watching tonight, enough with all the personal interest, enough with the Filipino mentality or also known as grab mentality, enough with corruption. It's about time na tulungan natin ang Filipino workers, create jobs for them so that no Filipino's family will be broken or will be missing a person inside that family because of this OFW works. It's about time that we create works for those jobless Filipinos. That is the only way for us to be able to create a more wonderful and meaningful Pilipinas. Thank you and good evening.
All right, thank you so much.